room that you can totally customize. As in the kitchen, you will get two parallel platforms, and as you can see, this is the largest master bedroom of this. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Grand Plaza located in Pravadevi by Om Siddhi Ventures. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, which is located bang on Gokhale Road, right behind Siddhi Vinayak Mandir. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the sales office, and to my left is the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing of the tower. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.53 acres that will have one tower with ground plus 26 floors, including 5 levels of podium parking. This tower has 4 BHK premium apartments that is customizable. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located right behind Siddhi Vinayak Mandir on Gokhale Road, Pravadevi. From where Pravadevi and the other railway station is only 3 minutes, you have Siddhi Vinayak Mandir within 2 to 3 minutes, and also Jain Temple is nearby. You will get school, colleges, hospitals and temples, churches within 1 kilometer from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 9,000 plus square feet of amenities having swimming pool, gym, kids play area, garden, yoga deck, game zone, banquet hall and many more. Also, if you want to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 4 BHK of Grand Plaza. Let's start with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, right on the left, you will get a very spacious living room that you can totally customize as per your choice. You can place your large sofas, your center tables, your seating arrangement, customize your TV unit and everything totally as per your choice, and it is very spacious. In the living room, you will get full French windows along with a very spacious balcony. This 4 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 2157 square feet, and one of the USP of this project is that this 4 BHK is totally customizable. You can turn the other bedroom and join that into the living room at totally as per your choice. Moving forward, this is a first bedroom, which is the common bedroom, which is also very spacious. You can place your king size bed, customize your wardrobe corner, your study corner. It's totally up to you. Let's move forward. Right next to a common bedroom, we have a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to the kitchen area. In the kitchen, you will get 2 parallel platforms, and as you can see, you have so much space between the 2 platforms where easily 2 to 3 people can walk. You can place your refrigerator in this corner and your washing machine in this corner. In the kitchen, you will get full French windows with a dryer balcony that is also very spacious. Attached to the kitchen, you have one passage area provided that you can customize as a puja room or your servant room. That's totally up to you. Moving forward to our first master bedroom. This is a first master bedroom which is very spacious to place your king size bed, your side tables, your study unit, your TV unit and everything. This is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole apartment, and another USP of the project is that all apartments are sea-facing apartments. Let's move forward to the other master bedrooms. This is a second master bedroom which is also very spacious to place a king size bed, customize your TV unit or your study unit, or you can also make this as a study. That's totally up to you again. This is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 4 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is the largest master bedroom of this 4 BHK where you can place a king size bed. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner, and the floor to ceiling height is 9.5, so you can easily build lofts. You can also place side tables, you can customize your TV unit, your study area or your makeup corner. This master bedroom comes with a balcony which is also very spacious. You will get a beautiful view from all the balconies of this apartment. Now, let me show you the attached washroom of this master bedroom. As this is the largest master bedroom, the washroom is also the largest that comes with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And you will get two options, either you will get a bare shell apartment or it's up to your choice if you want a done-up apartment. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of our project. If you like this project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. At last, I would like to ask you just one question. Have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, do let us know your views in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Grand Plaza located in Prabhadevi by Om Siddhi Ventures.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.